Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we're going to talk about how to create or set up our campaigns on Pinterest. So before we can create our campaigns on Pinterest, we're going to first create our pins, and then we got to fire the conversion event like at least 10 to 50 times. So it depends on the ad account. You know, sometimes you need a few firing of sometimes you need to fire the event just a few times, or sometimes you need to fire it like up to 50 times before you can start like advertising on Pinterest. Let me show you what I mean here. So when we create our ads, we're gonna go to ads and we click on reporting. And here we will click on create campaign. So when you have a new Pinterest account, what is gonna happen is that if you click here on conversions, it will tell you this, like increase your conversion events. You'll need more conversion to use this objective. Select a consideration campaign to increase conversion. So what we're gonna do in order to being able to make our conversion campaigns, we're gonna go to our website and we're gonna fire events. Like we're gonna actually buy products from our website. Now, we can hire someone from Fiverr to fire the events but for us, you know, they know how to fire the event without actually purchasing. But if you don't want to hire someone, you can fire purchases event on your Shopify store, like by actually purchasing something. You can set a product at $1 and then buy it many times. So once we have this information, Pinterest will have that data in the conversion in the checkout, like in the checkout section of the pixel. I mean, Pinterest will see that there are checkouts in your website, and they are going to enable the conversion option. So I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna fire some events on my site, and usually when you fire events, you'll have to wait 1 to 2 days before having this button enabled. So don't rush things up. I mean, don't get so crazy. Fire event 5 times and see the next day if it's enabled. If it's not enabled yet, fire the event 5 times again, or maybe 10, and see on the next day. So it will eventually be enabled. So no worries about that. Like just keep firing events until it's enabled. And that's pretty much it. Like once you have the conversion events, I'm gonna show you like just in a minute like how to create your campaigns. And the other thing you want to do before launching campaigns is creating your pins. So you're gonna click here on create pins. And here is where we're gonna create our pins. So we can select create our boards. For example, let's say if you're into the beauty niche, you click here beauty. If you're in the pet niche, you click here pet. You click create, and you're gonna create here your pet like boards. Then we're gonna create a beauty one. And here's where you're going to create your pins. So let's say you want to test product number 1. So you will add here your video for product number 1. Here is going to go your headline. This means like your catchy phrase. No? For example, never worry about cleaning again, for example. Okay, so this is your catchy phrase. Here you're gonna write a description about your product. Now, when you're testing ads on Pinterest, your customers are not gonna see what you write here. This is only for organic search. So the best thing you can do here is build a sentence around your product with keywords related to your product. You can find keywords like when you create your campaigns. For example, this is a good way to find keywords. Let's go to reporting, create campaign. So let's say you're launching a product related to cleaning. So we're going to go to the ad group section level, and here we will click on keywords and interest, but we need to choose your own here. No worries, I'm going to explain you this further along the way. So here we see keywords and interests, we click on add keywords, and we're gonna type here cleaning, for example. And here you're gonna see some keywords with good like amount of searches: cleaning tip, eating cleaning, what to clean, clean eating. So you can grab like a bunch of keywords here and make your text based on this. For example, we can use home cleaning and cleaning ideas, and maybe clean your also. So we can put here something like home cleaning was never so easy. Finally, you can stop searching for cleaning ideas and get a clean home in without effort. So here I'm using three keywords: home cleaning, cleaning ideas, and clean home. So this way you can write a text. It has to be readable, not just a bunch of keywords like all them stuck together, because that way you're not gonna your ping is not gonna be shown organically. Then you add an alt text. Alt text means explaining the best possible way what you are advertising or what people can see in the ping. So for example, if this is a product for to clean floors, or a swiper, for example, you will put like uh, something like, I don't know, 360 swiper for floor, something like that, you know. So it has to be short, but at the same time, in a couple of words, explaining like the whole idea on what the product is about, you know, or what is people seeing. Then we will add a destination link. I'm gonna add a video first to explain you, like you're gonna see more options here when you upload a video. So I'm uploading it. I'm gonna upload it right now and get back to you. Okay, so I actually found a video of a nice product made up for kids. So we're gonna build our marketing around this product. We're gonna click here, enjoy watching your kids having endless fun. Like this is a product that parents will buy, not kids. So you wanna write them to them, you know. So this is like the headline I'm gonna use. I created a new board for kids. I'm gonna put the product in the kids board. Now here we have the ad tags and the destination link. So we're gonna add a destination link. This is just a random website. You have to put your product link here actually. So here we'll go products and the name of your product. Like you have to go to your product page on your website and click here the link of your product. So now here you can put a thumbnail. You can or select a thumbnail for your video. Doing this, like the page where you drop it, that's gonna be your thumbnail. Or you can upload a thumbnail from clicking here. Now the thumbnail should have the same measure as your video, otherwise it won't let you put the thumbnail. So you have to make sure the thumbnail is exactly the same measure as your video. Now on ad tags, here this is for organic search also. So here we can put the random keywords like kids, for example. You can put here kid activities, kid toys. Let's go with fun. No, ball. We can put balloons, trampoline, entertainment, trampoline, family activities, parenting advice. We should have here 8 to 9 different keywords. Let's go with parenting, preteen, maybe toddlers, toddler, toddler toys. Preteen can be also pre-teen. Let's go with toys again. Parenting, toys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can put more than 9. Let's click another one. Painting, you've reached your maximum number. So the maximum you can put is 10. I usually go with 9 or... Ooh, it's unreachable. Let's just leave it like this. Make sure you put here your product link. Don't put your main page link. Put your product link. You want to take people to your product page. So this is how a video will look like. This is your pin. Now here you can just click on publish, or you can click on the plus button and add a new one here. So you can add a different variation. You can add as many as you want. And after you finish setting all of them up, you can click here and just select all of them and click publish here at the top. So I'm gonna publish only one at this time, just for teaching purposes. So we're gonna delete this one and delete this one. This is the one that we're gonna keep. So we're gonna publish our pin. And that's it, our pin is created. So now if we go here to our page, we'll see our pin here. Now the more pins you have, you're gonna have them mix them all of them up here, so it's not gonna be it's not gonna show only one video. It's gonna show like one here, another one here, another product here, another here. So the more videos you publish, the better this is gonna look. Or you can just add a back picture like from the start. So that's pretty much it of what you need in order to make your first ads. So we have our pin already created. We're gonna launch this product, and if we're going to create our ads, first we have to fire the event. I'm gonna do that right now and then come back to you with the event fire so we can publish the video. So okay guys, so here we're gonna create our first campaign. As you see, now I can click on the conversion like objective without any issue. So we're gonna click conversions. We're gonna put our campaign name. It's gonna be Kids Bubble Ball Conversions, and the date, which is like July 17, 2021. Campaign status active. Campaign budget. No, we don't want to have campaign budget optimization. We're gonna click on continue. This button is like a CBO on Facebook, like campaign budget optimization. So we don't want to do that right now. So we're gonna click our ad group name. It's gonna be called Kids Bubble Ball Interests 771. I'm gonna explain you this later. And the date, it's July 17, 21, and that's it. So we're gonna here enter in details. We're gonna click choose our own. Then keywords and interests, we're gonna enable expanded targeting. On interests, we're gonna select all of them. Here in Pinterest, like we wanna be as broad as possible. We don't know which ones are gonna work right from the start. Most likely they're gonna work like this or this, for example, and these ones not. Then we can trim the ones that doesn't work later on. So we're just gonna do this. Okay, so we have all 20 interests selected, expanded targeting on. Demographics, we're gonna click all genders, all ages, all US locations, all languages, all devices. If we're targeting worldwide, then we wanna change the language to English only. But since we're targeting US right now, we're gonna click all languages. On our group budget, we're gonna put $100 budget. We are gonna run on a specific date. So we're gonna choose the day we wanna start and the time 0000. Now Pinterest works on UTC. It's a different time zone. So if you wanna do Pinterest, make sure you have your website on the same UTC than Pinterest, so you can actually track your conversions like on the same day. So your 00 in your website should be the same as the Pinterest one. Then on conversion event, we're gonna click checkout. Bidding, we'll put custom bidding, and we will put a target cap of $20. Pacing will be standard, and our conversion window will be 771 just to start. Later on, we can try 777 or 100. Like 100 works really good. The best one to start testing is 771. You can try them 30, 30, 30, but what this means is that Pinterest will show your ad during 30-day click, 30-day view, and 30-day conversion day and 30-day conversion window. So this means one person can see your ad pretty much during 30 days without making a buying decision. So we wanna reduce that to 771, and this is what we're gonna do. Like 7 days after they click on your ad, 7 days after they engage with your ad, or 1 day after they view your ad. So this is how we're gonna work. This way we're not gonna show our ad like many times to people who's not interested at all in our ads, or at least like not so interested. Now here we're gonna select our pins. I'm gonna select the bubble one, and with our pin selector we're gonna click on publish here. So we'll see an issue here, and it says that it has an error, so we're gonna click on select pins to see the error. The error here is that we have an emoji in our headline, but we just have to erase that in the ad name. It won't erase the emoji from the headline, just from the ad name. And then we're gonna click on publish, and that's it. We have our first campaign published. We're gonna change the status to active only, not started. So we have here our campaign, not started yet. So we're gonna do this like as many times the amount of product we wanna launch. So let's say you wanna launch 10 products, you will make a different campaign for each product. So once you have the initial setup done with one product, what you can do is just click here, click on duplicate once, and here what you will do is just rename your campaign with a new product. Let's say you're testing gardening tool, and then here we will change for gardening tool. Our interests and expanded targeting is going to be exactly the same. All interests selected. Oh, I didn't select all of them. Let's make sure we select all of them. Just make sure you select all of them. Then this is going to stay like that. This stays like that. The only thing we're going to change is the ad here. So we're going to remove this pin and select the new pin for the new product. Then you will click on review copies and you will launch your your second product. So I made a new pin and added to the campaign. So it's done already. We're gonna change this to not started. These are our two products. We wanna do this like as much as product we wanna launch. Now that's pretty much for this video. With this you'll have your campaign set up. This is how you test on Pinterest. Now in the ad section, when you select your pins, when you create your campaigns, you can select more than one. I told you in the video, like in past videos, that you wanna select at least 2 to 4 videos or creative per campaign and per ad group. So this is your campaign. You'll have one ad group inside your campaign. So let's click here. You have here one ad group, and inside the ad group you want to have four different creatives. That's it. That's how you test on Pinterest. Then you have to let it run for at least 7 days actually, if you start getting, if you see results. But if you don't see any results for the time it has to spend $150 to $200, then just kill the product and watch on the other ones. So we're gonna talk more deep about it later. This is how you set up your campaigns, and you're gonna start testing doing this. So see you on the next video.